Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is M.A. Kaush. I am studying in 5th standard. I am going to tell about rose flower. Rose is my favorite flower among all flowers. They come in different colors such as red, yellow, pink, purple, white, etc. A rose is popularly known as king of flowers due to its beauty. The flower looks beautiful when it blooms in the garden. A rose plant has round green leaves. A rose plant has small and sharp thorns on its stem. Roses are used in perfume due to its fragrance and also used to make rose water. Roses are used in decoration purpose in various ceremonies. Our first Prime Minister is Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru loved red rose. People plant rose in home. Beauty and aroma. The rose plant are found all over India. Rose Day is celebrated every year on 12th of February. Rose flower is most loved among people for its beauty and softness. Thank you. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.